How you doing? Thanks for watching. This is George at Wicked Warnings here with another very, very nice F-250. This particular one happens to be a Lariat, and it also has the, I believe this is Lariat Sport, and I don't know if they call it blacked out or what they call it, but it's the darker trim package for the Lariat. You get the grill, the mirror caps, the badges, all blacked out from the factory. Very cool, right on my style. As you can see, this particular Lariat was missing LED headlights. That was one of the things that we did while it was here in the shop. LED headlight and fog light retrofit bulbs in this truck. Make sure you check our description or our website for links to those, as well as links to our very popular Razor LEDs, which are set on flood mode right here in the grill, and our mirror mod kit, which you can see is in flood mode also. One switch we have for front flood that does this, and here would be our warning switch. We're using auxiliaries 5 and 6, which both are set to work without the key, so you can use your lighting with or without the engine running. As you can hear, this truck is not running and the key is off. Well, key's on for the fog light, but those switches will work key on or off. In the grill, we're featuring our Razor LED that's set on an alternating amber white pattern that changes speed. In fog lights, we're featuring our LIN6 set on a 3x3 flash, triple flash pattern. Now you can see that just a little bit better, the way the grill is set up and the way that fog light's set. We've got an LIN6 on each of our fog lights facing primarily sideways, another LIN6 in the back of this truck underneath the tail light to complement the ones in the front. We're also featuring our Thin-X LIN in the badges. Here you can see a little better view of that mirror mod kit. That's Mirror Mod Kit was the original version of what you're seeing there. It's now being produced under the Auto Flasher name, but you can order either one, and they're both the same product. It is the Mirror Mod Kit, which is now made with our Auto Flasher module, and that is flashing the white LED lights that the Super Duty has in the upper trim levels. If you don't have those white lights on your mirror, and you only have the amber ones, no problem. We have an Auto Flasher module or mirror mod kit for you as well. Look in the Auto Flasher product and you'll see the amber version. This is the white version. Here you'll see that beautiful blacked out F-250 badge featuring our Thin-X TIR in amber, and it's just on an alternate flash there, mounted right in the badge. Try to get a little focus for you there. You can see we've chosen roughly the same pattern for our TIR Thin-X as we did for our LIN on the sides. We have that 3x3 alternation going on with our LIN6 as well as our Thin-X here. And that way the light never really goes out. It just alternates back and forth. This truck is primarily shorter distance warning, so we don't need to stretch out real long distances. So the alternation gives you movement without the light ever actually shutting off. Around back, you can see our LIN6, and that is complementing the front. You can also see a little bit of our Auto Flasher module that's on the cargo lights. We also have our newest hideaway, our ECO HAW in the back reverse. That's an ECO HAW in an HD amber version, and you can see that particular pattern right there. That flash pattern is only available in our ECO HAW. So if you're a fan of that, you're going to need to order the HD ECO HAW, and that will be amber in the factory reverse lens of the non-LED F-250 through 550 tails. Above that, you can see our cargo light and the way we have flashed both of those together on and off with our Auto Flasher module. Now, the cargo light will work normally when not flashing. We didn't lose any of the functionality. When you open your door, it's still going to light up. It's still going to light the bed and go to dim when you close the door. All that's still going to work fine. And because we're using our Auto Flasher module on that cargo light, we're able to strobe it and flash it the way you see. Now, there's two different cargo lights. One like this with the standard third brake in the middle, no camera, and another one with a camera. The third brake with the camera, you can alternate left and right. The third brake without, you alternate together just like this. We're controlling everything from the auxiliary switches right here in the cab. We went ahead and labeled them up for you. And as we said, we've got flashing and front flood for this client, and they're both going to be working without the key because we've done that modification. Be sure to check the description for links to all of these products, and make sure you email in to Wicked Warnings at info@wickedwarnings.com and get a hold of us in the next video. Thanks again for watching.